Okay, we're gonna play Geometry Dash. Bro, this is not funny. I'm gonna get too funny. Boom. Okay, guys, I'm getting a little man at this game. Okay, it's very good. Today, guys, I'm gonna just play practice. Look at that, Amila. Pew. Milky. Hey, Milky. Okay, we gotta get to the portal. Now this is down. Hey yo, I'm a noob. That's a bit. Ooh, that was a close one. Woo! That was a close one. We gotta do now, bro. Not like that. Yo, bro, you're getting a little closer. That was a close one. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Bro, stop. This is a close one. Oh my god. Wait. Bro, I'm getting a little mad at this game. It's getting more mad. I think this is the right. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh my. Tomato. I think I'm gonna just get this one. Oh, this is the hard one. I just want the auto one. Hey, where's the new level? The light from the sun. Where's that level? Quickly. Okay. No. I'm finding lightning on the road. Okay, that's not lightning on the road. I'm finding lightning on the sun. Infinite by the tower. Let's get this out. Oh no. I'm finding for not those, man. I'm finding from the. I kinda like versus. Versus mode has been delayed, but it's in the works. Okay. Okay. Yo, is that a character I didn't get? Hey, yo, what? Really? So I searched it. How to get it? Okay. This auto and search. Oh, I'm not. Oh, okay. What did I just say? Okay, I'm gonna go on practice mode. Okay, practice. Ooh, I have many, bro. This is so funny. Okay. Yo, what's up? It's making me dizzy. Oh my god, bro. It's making me dizzy. It's so much fun. It's like a mama. So auto is not good. What about NA? Oh, there's no NA. Oh, what about this? Oh. Yeah, what about? Okay, I'm not finding this, but oh my god, bro. Ooh. Ayo, let's get this the bathrooms. Is this scary? This not supposed to be scary. Bo 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 ba 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 ba. It sounds scary, bro. If I was in backrooms in real life, I would not. Okay. Oh, not that. I'm looking for deer. Slaughter in the house. I'm looking for slaughter in the house. So you, it's a little bit scary. Okay.
No.
Oh, so there is a password here.
Oh, God.
Let me just find it.
Patay na yan.
Oh man, this is very scary.
Gogi ka na to.
Okay. Well, where's the sort of just so? Oh, maybe. Okay. We gotta go to the password. I know the password on this. So we gotta begin with that and that should work. Oh. So I should begin with this and this and this. What is the password, man? I don't know the password.
Ay, mister.
Okay, we gotta get demons and what about rock on the ground? Okay. Oh, so this is the first because this is slaughter in the house. And this is lighting on the road. This is rock on the ground. This is fire. So what? Fire in the hole,
Okay.
rock on the ground, lighting on the road. Or that. Yo! Yeah, baby. And where's the key from? We're gonna put the key in it. Where's the key gonna be? Please don't be a ghost. I'm afraid of that. Bobo, 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 bobo. Okay. Okay, please. Okay. I got the key.
Lan?
This be not scary. Or it just gonna be trolled on me. Okay, what this gonna do?
Grabe.
What am I gonna do here? Okay.
Ano?
Okay. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I think. Okay. I just. What am I gonna do here? I don't know what am I gonna do. What am I gonna do, man? What am I gonna do? Okay. How is this supposed to work? Okay. Oh, so it's gonna be here. What, bro? I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. And I don't know how to... Oh, maybe there's a secret door in here. Ew, bro, what? What did I just get? Boo. Okay. Gonna press this button in a few more seconds. And then gotta go here.
Ano pa ako?
Bro, this is so hard. How? Oh, what? First, wake up. Okay, I'm gonna wake up. I know the password, guys. Don't believe me? I know it. The back rooms. Boo. Where am I? I know, bro. Just wait. I know the password here. Don't be afraid, okay? Don't be afraid of here, okay? What? How's the password? Just tell me in the comments, guys. I don't know. Or maybe. Okay. Lighting on the road. Wake up. What is the password? I forgot, guys. I thought. And then what is it?
No, patay.
The slaughter in the house. And this is that. And I thought it was this. Guys, tell me the password. I don't know. I think it's the same. Let's try again. This is the... Okay. I now figure it out. It's not the key. We gotta go in there. Let's go, man. Let's go. There was a door here. I knew it. If wasn't, I think my geometry dash is hot. Hey, what's that? Did I just replay, guys, for me? I swear I see something.
Baka na. Nandiyan sila.
I swear I see something. Replay. Okay.
Hindi ka magalaw eh.
Scary.
Talaga nakakainis.
Boo. So what am I gonna do, guys? Have to play this level of geometry dash the back rooms. I don't know what am I gonna do. Oh, some sort of keys. We're gonna just click it. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm 15 minutes on here, guys. Oh, maybe there's a secret in here. Oh, it's similar. Similar, bro. Similar that I built on Roblox, the bathrooms. That's the stairs I built. It's similar, bro. What? I hate this. This is not this. That's the tent, bro. I don't know what. Blood in the bed. Slaughter in the house. Rock on the ground. Rock on the ground. What is that pink fan? Lighting on the road end. There's a first game. The kids at the basement. Lighting on the road. Blood in the bed. I don't know what is the pink one. Oh, this is the demon. Kids at the basement. Okay. But the slaughter in the house is here. That's the new one, bro. Makwe, bro. Nah.